Hello everyone! Welcome once again to my channel. I am Shari and I am based here in Cagayan, City. So for today's video, you will go to the StarWhite MediQueen 3rd Anniversary Media Day at Corrales Avenue at Xentro Hotel yun siya. So you will meet some of the vloggers, bloggers, and influencers here in Cagayan de Oro. So if you are interested, please keep on watching. Guys, we are here na sa StarWhite / MediQueen and yun, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung mga services nila and of course, sobrang ganda ng ambience dito guys. As you can see, mostly pink yung kanilang mga furnitures, parang may queens. As you can see here, may mga greens and ayan. So, I will just link them down below. Yung Facebook page nila, ililink ko, ilalagay ko sa baba so you can visit. And later on, siguro I will mention kung ano yung mga promo nila dito so you can also avail. So, yes. So guys, ito yung mga services nila and ito yung most common na syempre diba most of the Filipinos gusto nating magpaputi. Kaya ito yung mga most saleable na services nila dito, yung mga Gluta IV, ito yung mga Gluta Push. Yan, kung gusto nyo magpaputi guys, visit kayo dito sa StarWhite MediQueen here sa Xentro along Corrales Avenue. Meron din silang nail spa services, body sculpting services. May mga paintless cosmetics tattoo din sila and mga extensions. Meron din silang hair removal services. Ito yung mga prices nila guys. As you can see, affordable siya. But of course, they are also particular on the quality of the services and products na ibibigay nila sa atin. Of course, kasi may mga certifications sila from FDA, DOH, yung mga ganun na mga certifications kasi diba hindi naman yun basta-basta nila ginagawa. So, ayun. So, mayroon mga body wraps dito. If you want to tone your skin, ayan, meron sa face and neck, underarms, 99 pesos lang to. Whole arms, 199 pesos. Ayan siya. So, also, ayan, may mga peeling services din sila. Hi guys! So, there is sila perform sa katong mga services nila like slim and tone, body scrub, and yung mga waxing. So, as you can see guys, very girly. Pink yung kanilang mga mattress. Ayan. So, may green kaya sobrang refreshing ng area nila. Enjoy your time! Subscribe! I am already on my way home and yes, I really enjoyed the event and I enjoyed chatting with the rest of the vloggers and influencers here in Cagayan de Oro. And yes, before I end this vlog, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung mga products na mabibili nyo doon sa StarWhite MediQueen. And yes, ako isa kabag na products here na available nga sa kanila. So, ipa-flush ko na lang yung mga benefits nila. I have here the GlutaSure Tea Tree Soap. So, this is with an antibacterial, antifungal na benefit. So, ito siya in green. And then, the second one is I have the GlutaSure Snail Repair Soap. Next product is this Skin Renewal Set from So Skin. Ayan, so parang rejuvenating set siya. And yan, it comes with the toner, the soap, and the day cream and the night cream, yung sunblock nila. The next one, guys, I have here a 17-in-1 juice of GlutaSure. It's called Slim And it has green apple, honey lemon. This is for skin whitening, for slimming, anti-aging, detoxifier, immune booster, and antioxidant. The last product that I have here is Glutasure Liposure. So this is actually a coffee and with acetyl L-carnitine, cactus extract, reishi extract, white kidney bean extract, Garcinia cambogia extract, marine collagen, and glutathione. So, ipa-flash ko na lang yung mga benefits nila para makita niyo. So, guys, all of these products are available at StarWhite. That is along Corrales Avenue sa Xentro Hotel. So, if you want to buy these products, you can visit their clinic, and also if you want to avail the services na sobrang affordable but quality, yun nga, they all have the certifications na kailangan to operate, and sobrang accommodating ng mga staff nila. And yes guys, that's all for this video. Thank you so much for being with me. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please do click the subscribe button and the bell notification for you to be notified each time na may upload ako na video. Thank you so much. God bless everyone. Salamat.
So sa bidet. Bidet ni.
Sa kubeta.
sa sponsor sa food spa. Yeah. Mga pila